Good morning. So today we will discuss percentages. Yesterday you asked about the percentages. Now today I will discuss percentages. Now tell me, my dear friends, what is percentage? What is percentage? What is percentage? And if you have any doubt, you can type your questions in the chat box. I will clarify. I will read each and every message. I will read each and every message. Akbari Begum, Humayra Begum, Juwaria. So, okay. So today's topic is percentages. What is the meaning of percentage? Tell me. What is the meaning of percentage? Percent is known as percentage. Percent is known as percentage. Percentage is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. Very good, Juwaria. You are also 100% right. So, percentage means per 100. Per 100 is known as percentage. Per 100 is known as percentage. So now, how to convert percentage to fraction? How to convert percentage to fraction? Tell me. To convert percentage to fraction. To convert percentage to fraction, just divide it by 100. Divide by 100. For example, 20 percentage. What is the meaning of 20 percentage? 20 by 100, it is equal to 1 by 5. What is the 25 percentage? Tell me. 25 percentage is equal to 25 by 100 is equal to 1 by 4. Clear? Now, how to convert fraction to percentage? To convert fraction to percentage, multiply with 100. Multiply with 100. Example 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is equal to how much percentage? 2 by 5 into 100. 2 by 5 into 100, how much? 5 ones 5, 5 20s. 2 into 20 is 40 percentage. So, 2 by 5 or 40 percentage, both are same. What is the 3 by 4? What is the 3 by 4? 3 by 4 is a fraction. 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into 100. 4 ones 4, 25. 3 into 25 is 75 percentage. Now you know how to convert percentage to fraction and vice versa, fraction to percentage. Okay, percentage to fraction is completed and fraction to percentage is also completed. Fraction to percentage is also completed. Now the next one. Write the first question. Find the value of 20% of 2400 plus 30% of 1500. Find the value of 20% of 2400 plus 30% of 1500. What is your answer? What is your answer? Find the answer. 20%. First convert percentage to fraction. 20% is equal to 20 by 100. Half means multiplication. Remember, in mathematics, half means multiplication into 2400 plus 30%. 30 by 100. Half means into 1500. 1500. Simplify. The two zeros cancel. 20 into 24. What is 24 into 2? 48. 20 into 24, 480. Plus Yeah, two zeros cancel. 13, 15. 15 3 is 45. 15 3 is 45. So it is 450. 450. So very good. 480 plus 450. How much? 480 plus 450. It is 930. So your final answer is 930. Your final answer is 930. Next question. Next question. First write the answer, then write the second question. Next question. %% of x is equal to 2.5. Then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. %% of x is 2.5. Then find the value of x. So 20% of means 20 by 100 into x is equal to 2.5. 21 so 25. So 1 by 5 into x is equal to 2.5. Then x is equal to 2.5 into 5. X is equal to 2.5 into 5. How to multiply any number with a decimal number? 2.5 into 5. First remove the decimal. If you remove the decimal, then it will become 25. What is 25 into 5? 25 into 5 is 125. Now after decimal, how many digits are there? Only one digit. Put a decimal after one digit from right side. So 12.5 is the answer. 12.5 is the answer. Next question, third question. Third question. The pass marks in the examination is 40%. Write the question. The pass marks in the examination is 40%. A student got 560 marks in the examination. A student got 560 marks in the examination and failed with 40 marks. And failed with 40 marks. Then find the maximum marks. The pass marks percentage sign says percentage sign is this is percentage sign. Okay, the pass marks in the examination is 40%. The pass marks in the examination is 40%. A student got 560 marks in the examination and failed with 40 marks. Then find the maximum marks. And find the maximum marks. See here, what is the pass marks in the examination? 40%. 40% is equal to, what is 40%? The student got 560 marks in the examination and failed with 40. If he got extra 40 marks, then he will be passed. So pass marks 40% is equal to 560 plus 40, it is 600. So the pass marks 40% is equal to 600. Find the maximum marks. What is the meaning of maximum marks? That is 100%. If 40% is equal to 600, what is 100%? Down value by up value into right side value. Down value by up value into right side value. That is general formula. down value 100 by up value 40 into right side value 600. This is 0, 0 cancel, 4 ones, 4 15s. So 100 into 15 is equal to 1500. 100 into 15 is equal to 1500. Next one. Fourth question. Any doubt? If it is clear, type yes. Otherwise, type no. Once again, I will explain. Okay, good. Next one, write the fourth question. The pass marks in the examination is 40 percentage, 40 percentage. A student got 350 marks in the examination. A student got 350 marks in the examination, and it is 30 marks more than pass marks. It is 30 marks more than pass marks. Then find the maximum marks. Find the answer. Find the answer. Please tell me. Please tell me. Don't wait for my explanation. To complete the syllabus is not my target. What is the output? That is very important. Same model. Just now I covered same model question. Please open the notebook. Please find the answer. The pass marks in the examination is 40%. That student got 350 marks in the examination. It is 30 marks more than pass marks. So if you subtract 30, then that is the correct pass marks. So what is 40%? The 40% is equal to 320. 40% is equal to 320. Find the maximum marks, find 100% value. If 40% is equal to 320, what is 100%? Down value by up value into right side value. Very good, very good. Akbari Begum, you answer right. Very good. Down value 100 by up value 40 into right side value 320. This is 0, 0 cancel. 4 1 to 4, 4 8 to 32. 100 into 8 is 800. Therefore, the maximum marks in the examination is 800. Good, it is right answer. Next question. A fruit seller sold a fruit seller sold a fruit seller sold 70% of mangoes. A fruit seller sold 70% of mangoes. 70% of mangoes. 70% of mangoes. And he has 240 mangoes. And he has 240 mangoes. And he has 240 mangoes. How many mangoes are sold by the fruit seller? How many mangoes are sold by the fruit seller? A fruit seller sold 70% of mangoes and he has 240 mangoes. Find the mangoes sold by the fruit seller. He sold 70% means he has 30%. He has 30%. 30% is equal to 240. And question is find the sold mangoes. Sold is 70%. If 30% is equal to 240, what is 70%? If 30% is equal to 40, question is find the 70% value. So down value by up value into right side value. Down value 70, up value 30, 70 by 30 into 240. 70 by 30 into 240. This is 0, 0 cancel, 3 ones to 3 eights. Now 70 into 8 is your answer. 70 into 8, 7 8 is 56, 70 into 8 is 560. So he sold 560 mangoes. He sold 560 mangoes and he has 240 mangoes. Sixth question, please write the sixth question, my dear friends. Sixth question. Sixth question. A person, once again, previous question, okay. A fruit seller sold 70% of mangoes and he has 240 mangoes. If he sold 70% of mangoes, remaining are not sold by him, so remaining is 30%. So if he sold 70% of mangoes, finally has 30%. According to question, he has 240 mangoes. Therefore, 30% is equal to 240. If 30% is equal to 240, what is 70%? What is 70%? Down value by up value into right side value. That is one general formula, down value by up value into right side value. The down value is 70, up value is 30, into right side value 240. 0, 0 cancel, 3 ones to 3 eights. So 70 into 8 to 560. Okay. Sixth question. A person distributed a person distributed a person distributed 20% of his property a person distributed 20% of his property to 20% of his property to his 3 children each. His 3 children each. A person distributed 20% of his income to his 3 children each. He donated 30% of his income. He donated 30. Sorry, he deposited 30% of his income. He deposited 30% of his income to his wife's account. He deposited 30% of his income to his wife's account. And he donated 50% of remaining amount and he donated 50% of remaining amount to an orphan house. To an orphan house. Finally, he has finally has 40,000 rupees. Finally has 40,000 rupees. Find his initial income. Find his initial income. Find his initial income. A person distributed 20% of his income to his 3 children each. He deposited 30% of his income to his wife's account. He donated 50% of remaining amount to charity. Finally, has 40,000 rupees and find his initial income. Find the answer. He distributed 20% of his income to his 3 children each 20%. 3 into 20, 60% completed. 3 into 20, 60% completed. He deposited 30% of amount to his wife's account. He deposited 30% of his income to his wife's account. Total how much percentage completed? Total how much percentage completed? 3 into 20, 60. 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 is 90% completed. If 90% completed, the remaining is 10%. 90% completed, 100 minus 90. 100 minus 90 is 10%. Now, he donated 50% of remaining amount. Donated 50% of remaining means what is the remaining 10%? So what is the 50% of 10? 5. 5. So total how much percent is completed? 3 into 60, 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 5, 95. So 95% of amount is completed for children, wife and charity. So the remaining is 5%. Remaining what is the remaining 100 by 75 is 5. If 5% is equal to 5%, how much amount? 40,000. If 5% is 40%, what is 100% value? Down value by up value. Down value by up value into right side value, 40,000. 2 zeros. Yes, 2 zeros cancel. 5 ones 5, 5 eights 40, 1, 2, 3 zeros, 300 into 8,000. Hundred by 5 into 40,000. 5 ones 5, 5 eights 40, 8,000. 108,000 is 108,000 is 80,000 rupees, 8 lakh rupee. So his initial income is 8 lakh rupee. Next question. Next one, somebody. Next one, somebody. Election based questions. Next one, somebody. Election based questions. Election based questions. It is a general question. Now, election based question. And the first question. Now the question. At an election, two candidates are participated. At an election, two candidates are participated. A candidate got at an election, two candidates are participated. A candidate got 60% of votes. A candidate got 60% of votes. At election, two candidates are participated. A candidate got 60% of votes, and one with a majority of 1. It is WON1. It is not ONE. And one with a majority of 8,000 votes. And one with a majority of 8,000 votes. 120 votes are invalid. 120 votes are invalid. Then find the total poll votes. Find the total poll votes. So find the total poll vote. Find the total poll votes. See here, at an election, two candidates are participated. A candidate got 60% of votes, and one with the majority of 8,000 votes. 120 votes are invalid. Then find the total poll votes. Here, what is the meaning of first statement? What is the first statement? A candidate got 60% of votes. A candidate got 60% of votes. 60%. What is the meaning of this statement? Okay, now I will give three options. Tell me the right answer. I will give three options. Then what is the find the correct answer? Question is, what is the meaning of a candidate got 60% of votes? Option A, 60% of total votes in that constituency. Option A, 60% of total votes in that constituency. Option B, 60% of total polled votes. 60% of total polled votes. Option C, 60% of valid votes only. 60% of valid votes only. Which one is right? Which one is right? A candidate got 60% of votes means it is not 60% of total votes in that constituency. It is not 60% of total votes in that constituency because all the people cannot participate in the votes. All the people cannot use their vote. So only some people are cast their vote. So that's why 60% of total poll votes is not right. 60% of total votes is not right, and 60% of total poll votes also wrong answer because all poll votes are not valid. Some invalid votes are there. Some invalid votes are there. What is invalid vote? Why the vote is invalid? Nowadays, some people love all the parties. They love party A, party B, party C, party D also. So if they use the vote on all party symbols, of course, today there is no invalid vote because now we are using electronic voting machine. Today there is no invalid vote. Reason today we are using electronic voting machine. That's why there is no invalid vote. But once upon a time we used the ballot paper. When we used the ballot paper, so many invalid votes are there. Here two reasons are there. Why some votes are invalid? Two reasons. What is the first reason? A person loves all the parties. He stamped on all party symbols. That is invalid. That is invalid. And what is the second case? Generally, the ballot paper is in rectangle shape. Generally, the ballot paper is rectangle shape. On the ballot paper, left side, they will publish the person name, and right side, they will publish the party symbol. Generally, they will publish the left side, they will publish the person name, right side, party symbol. For example, if you want to use the vote for the second person, first fold should be vertical. If the first fold is vertical, then there is no problem. If the first fold is vertical, this ink will be reflected on same person name, then there is no problem. But if the first fold is horizontal, this ink will be reflected on the some other party symbol. Some other party symbol. So that's why that is invalid vote. So now here the person got 60% of votes means it is not 60% of total votes in the constituency. It is not 60% of total polled votes. 60% of valid votes only. So the candidate got 60% of votes and won with a majority of 8,000 votes. So first find the total polled votes. Then total polled votes is equal to valid votes plus invalid votes. So now first find the valid votes. If 60% winner got 60%. Winner got 60%. Loser got how much percentage? Winner got 60%. Therefore, loser got 40% only. One with a majority of 8,000 votes. So second person is with a majority of is 8,000 votes. So what is the meaning of majority? Winner minus loser, 60 minus 40 is 20%. Where majority 60 minus 40 is 20%. 20% is equal to 8,000 votes. Then find the maximum votes, find the 100% votes. Find the 100% votes. Formula, general formula, down value by up value into right side value. This 0 cancel. 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 400s. 100 into 400 is 40,000. It is only valid words. It is only valid words. Total pole votes is equal to 40,000 plus invalid votes is 120. 40,000 is full votes. Total full votes is equal to valid votes plus invalid votes. 40,000 plus 120 is 40,120. Next one. Next question. At an election, two candidates are participated. At an election, 45% of at election, two candidates are participated. A candidate got 45% of votes. A candidate got 45% of votes. A candidate got 45% of votes and defeated by 6,000 votes. At the election, two candidates are participated. A candidate got 45% of votes and defeated by 6,000 votes. At election, two candidates are participated. A candidate got 45% of votes and defeated by 6,000 votes. At election, 45%. At election, two candidates are participated. A candidate got 45% of votes and defeated by and defeated by 6,000 votes. One 120 votes are invalid. Find the total poll votes. At election, 45% of votes are polled. At election, two candidates are participated. A candidate got 45% of votes and defeated by some other person. Find the answer. Defeated by 120 votes. Find the total poll votes. Here, loser got 45% of votes No doubt, winner got 55% of votes. At the election, only two candidates have participated. A candidate got 45% of votes. Another candidate got 100 minus 45 is 55% of votes. And 120 votes are invalid. Majority is 6,000 votes. So, winner got 55% of votes. Winner got 55% of votes. Loser got 45% of votes. Loser defeated by 6,000 votes. Means winner won with a majority of 6,000 votes. Therefore, winner votes percentage minus loser votes percentage is equal to 6,000. 55% minus 45% is 10%. 10% is to 60,000. 100% is equal to 60,000. It is only valid votes. Total poll votes is equal to valid votes plus invalid votes 120. Total poll votes is equal to 60,000 plus 120. 60,120. Next one. Next question. At an election, three candidates. At an election, three candidates A, B, and C are participated. At an election, three candidates A, B, and C are participated. A got 40% of votes. B got 35% of votes. At the election, three candidates A, B, and C are participated. A got 40% of votes. B got 35% of votes. The difference between B and C is The difference between B and C is 2400 volts. The difference between B and C is 2400 volts. Invalid volts are invalid volts are 12. Find the total pole volts. Find the total pole volts. Find the answer. Find the answer. At election, three candidates A, B, and C are participated. A got 40% of votes. B got 35% of votes. The difference between B and C is 2400 votes. 12 votes are invalid. Find the total full votes. A 40%, B 35%, the remaining is C. Now 40 plus 35, 75. 75 plus 25. 100. A got 40%, B 35%, C 25%. According to question, the difference between B and C. B and C means 35% minus 25%. So the difference between B and C, 35 minus 25. 35 minus 25 is 10%. 10% is equal to so 10% is equal to 2400. Find the total value votes. 100% is equal to and invalid votes is 12. Ten percent is 2,400. 100% is 24,000. 24,000 plus 12. 24,012. 24,012 is right answer. Next one. At an election, two candidates are participated. At an election, two candidates A and B are participated. At an election, A and B are participated. A and B are participated. A got 60%, 60% of votes. A got 60% of votes. A got 60% of votes and one with the majority of and one with the majority of 8,600 votes. Two 20 votes are invalid. Then find the total poll votes. Find the total poll votes. Find the answer. Same model question. Find the answer. Find the answer. At relation to same model, already I covered the question. Same model question. At relation to candidates A and B have participated. A got 60% of votes. A got 60% of votes and one with the majority of 8,600 votes. 8,600 votes. 220 votes are invalid. Find the total poll votes. Find the total poll votes. So A got 60%, B got 40%. The difference between A and B is 20%. 20% is equal to 8,600. Find the 100% value. 100% is equal to down value by up value into right side value. 100 by 20 into 8,600. This is 0 cancel. 2 1s 2, 2 4s 8, 2 8 16, 480. 480, 100 into 480 is equal to 48,000. This is only valid votes. It is only valid votes. Total polled votes is equal to valid votes plus invalid votes. Invalid votes is 220. Therefore, $48,000 plus 220. $48,220 is right answer. Now write the tip of the day. Write the tip of the day. Today's tip is if two numbers are between 10 and 20 multiplication. If two numbers are between 10 and 20 multiplication. How to multiply these two numbers? Tell me the answer. What is 12 into 13? If two numbers are between 10 into 20, multiplication is very simple. Within 3 to 4 seconds, you can multiply. First step is find the product of two unit digits. Find the product of two unit digits. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. The next step is first number plus the unit digit in second number. 12 plus 3, 15. 156 is the answer. 156 is the answer. Okay, one more example. 14 into 11. First step is find the product of two unit digits. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 1, 4. Now, second step is first number plus the unit digit in second number. 14 plus 1 is 15, 154. 12 into 16. First find the product of two unit digits. 2 into 6 is 12. Write 2, carry 1. 2 into 6 is 12. Write 2 and carry 1. Next, first number plus unit digit in second number. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Example 13 into 12 or 13 into 17. Find the product of two unit digits. 7 into 3, 21. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 3 into 7, 21. 13 plus 7, 20. 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 18 into 14. 8 into 14. First, find the product of two unit digits. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 4, 32. Next step is find the sum of first number and unit digit second number. 18 plus 2. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 3, 25. Clear? Do you want some more examples? Do you want some more examples? Please tell me. If you want, I will give some more examples. This tip is only for 10 to 20 only. Please don't apply this technique in some other ways. Okay? Next question. Next subheading, population based questions. Population based questions. Can you hear my voice? Yes or no? Yes. Population based questions. Generally, the population will be increased. Take your village or my village or any other place or any other place, the population always it will be increased. For example, let the present population of a town is P. The population increase rate is R% per annum. R% per annum. Then what is the population of a town after 3 years? The population of a town after 3 years is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. Write the formula. The population of a town before T years is equal to P by 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. The present population of a town is P. The population increase rate is R% per annum. The present population of a town is P. Population increase rate is R% per annum. Then the population of a town after T years is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. The population of a town before T years is equal to P by 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. So now write the note point. Note. The present population of a town is P. The present population of a town is the present population of a town is P. The population increase rate is R% per annum. R% per annum. Then the population of a town after T years is equal to the population of a town. Not clear. Your voice is breaking. Now, can you hear my voice? Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Yeah, okay. The present population of a town is P. The population increase rate is R% per annum. Now write the formula. The population of a town after T years. The population of a town after T years is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. Next time, the population of a town before T years is equal to P by 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. What is the specialty of this formula? Anyone please tell me. What is the specialty of this formula? Same this formula. We use it in compound interest also. For compound interest also same as it is, there is no change. Compound interest also same as it is, there is no change. P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. Okay, now write the next question. The present population of a town is the present population of a town is 40,000. The population increase rate is 5% per annum. Then find the population of a town. Then find the population of a town after 2 years. Find the population of a town after 2 years. The population of a town after 2 years is equal to the population of a town after 3 years is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. The present population of a town is 40,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole power time is 2 years. 5 1 to 5, 520, so 100. It is equal to 40,000 into what is 1 plus 1 by 20? What is 1 plus 1 by 20? 20 into 1, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 20, whole square is there. Whole square means write it 2 times. 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Here 20 into 20, 400. 400, 1 to 400. 400, 100 is 40,000. Now 100 into 21 into 21. What is 21 into 21? 441. 441 into 100, 44,100. So 44,100 is right answer. The population of a town after 2 years will be, the population of a town after 2 years will be 44,100. 44,100. Next question. The present population of a town is, the present population of a town is 2,50,000. The population increase rate is 20% per annum. The population increase rate is 20% per annum. Then find the population of a town after 3 years. Find the population of a town after 3 years. Find the answer. After 3 years, it is equal to 2,50,000 into 1 plus R value 20, 20 by 100, whole power 3, 21, 20, 25. Now it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 5. 2,50,000 into 1 plus 1 by 5. 5 into 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 5 whole cube. 6 by 5 whole cube means write 3 times 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5. What is 5 into 5 into 5? 125. 125 once 125. 125 2 so 250 and 3 more zeros. Now it is equal to 2000 into 6 into 6 into 6. That is 6 cube. 6 cube is 216. 216 into 200. First 216 into 2. How much? 432. Now 3 zeros. 4,32,000. 4,32,000. The population of a town after 3 years will be. The population of a town after 3 years will be 4,32,000. Write the answer. Next question. The present population of a town is. The present population of a town is 1,25,000. 1,25,000. The population increase rate is 25% per annum. The present population of a town is 1,25,000. The population increase rate is 25% per annum. Then find the population of a town before 3 years. Find the population of a town before 3 years. Find the answer. Find the answer. What is your answer? Find the answer. So now before 3 years, the population of a town before 3 years is equal to the population of a town before t years is equal to p by 1 plus r by 100 whole power t whole power t. Here p value is 1,25,000. 1,25,000 by r value 25% per annum. 1 plus 25 by 100 whole power 3. It is equal to 1,25,000. 25 ones are 25 fours. 1 plus 1 by 4. What is 1 plus 1 by 4? 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 4. In denominator 5 by 4 is there. 5 by 4 whole cube. But don't write in denominator, write in numerator. If you write in numerator, 5 by 4 will become 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole cube. 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. 5 into 5 into 5, 125. 125 once 125. 125 once 125. 125 1000, so 1,25,000. Now 4 into 4 into 4, 4 cube, that is 64. 64 into 1000, 64,000 is right answer. Next question. Next question. And the fourth question. The present population of a town is the present population of a town is 90,000. The population increase rate is 20% per annum. The population increase rate is 20% per annum. Then find the population of a town. Then find the population of a town after 2 years and before 2 years. Then find the population of a town after 2 years and before 2 years. Find the population of a town after 2 years and before 2 years. So what is your answer? Battery low and power cut, so I am leaving sir. Very big. Okay, okay. Any doubt before in the class? If you have any doubts, send the message. The next class I will discuss. And at any time, if you have any doubt, you can send the message. Then we'll clear all your doubts about it. Maybe aptitude, it's maybe reasoning, it's maybe latest notification details or syllabus details, whatever it may be. Next one. It is a homework question. It is a homework question after 2 years and before 2 years. Two questions are there. Find the answer. Next model. Next model. First model is the general questions already we covered. Next model is what is the second model? Election based questions, that is also completed. Next one, population based question. Now fourth one is machine value based question. Fourth one is machine value based questions. What is the machine value based questions? Take machinery item, its value will be decreased. Take any machinery item, day by day gradually its value will be decreased. For example, today you purchase one bike. Today you purchase one bike at 1 lakh rupee. Today you invested 1 lakh rupee. After 2 years or 3 years, if you want to change the old bike, its rates will be decreased. Not only bike, take any machinery items. Not only bikes, take any machinery item, its value will be decreased. Let the present value of a machine is P rupee. Its value depreciation rate is 6 percent per annum. Its value depreciation rate is R% per annum. Then what is the value of a machine? The machine value after T years. The machine value after T years is equal to same previous formula, but instead of less now write minus. P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power T. P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power T. So the machine value before T years is equal to P by 1 minus R by 100 whole power T. So please note down. Let the present value of a machine is P rupees. Let the present value of a machine is P rupees. Its value depreciation rate is R% per annum. Its value depreciation rate is R% per annum. Then next line. Then next line, the machine value then the machine value after T years is equal to then the machine value after T years is equal to P into 1 minus R by 100. P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power T. P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power T. Next line, the machine value before T years is equal to Next time, the machine value before t years is equal to the machine value before t years is equal to p by 1 minus r by 100 whole power t. Okay, the machine value before t years is equal to p into the machine value after t years is equal to p into 1 minus r by 100 whole power t. The machine value before t years is equal to p by 1 minus r by 100 whole power t. Now write down question. The present value of a machine is the present value of a machine is the present value of a machine is 50,000 rupee. 50,000 rupee. Its value depreciation rate is 20% per annum. Its value depreciation rate is 20% per annum. Then find the machine value after 2 years. Then find the machine value after 2 years. Find the answer. The machine value after 2 years. After 2 years is equal to p value 50,000 into 1 minus r by 100. R value 20, 20 by 100 whole power time 2 years. 21 to 25, it is equal to 50,000 into 1 minus 1 by 5. What is 1 minus 1 by 5? 5 1 to 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole square. Time 2 times, right? 2 times. 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. Now, 5 1 to 5. 5 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Again 5 1 to 5. 5 2 to 10. 3 more zeros. Now 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 2, 32. So the machine value after 2 years will be 32,000 rupee. The machine value after 2 years will be 32,000 rupee. Next question. Next question. The present value of a machine is 64,000 rupee. 64,000 rupee. its value depreciation rate is 25% per annum. Then find the machine value. Then find the machine value. Then find the machine value after 3 years. Then find the machine value after 3 years. Find the machine value after 3 years. So, the machine value after 3 years is equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power T. The machine value after 3 years is equal to P value 64,000 into R value 25. So 1 minus 25 by 100 whole power time is 3 years. 25 ones, 25, 25 fours. It is equal to 64,000. What is 1 minus 1 by 4? What is 1 minus 1 by 4? 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 whole cube. So write 3 times. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. 4 into 4 into 4, 64. 64 ones, so 64,000. Now 1000 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube 27. 27 into 1000 is equal to 27,000. So the present value of emission is 64,000 rupees. Its value depreciation rate is 25% per annum. Then the machine value after 3 years will be how much? 27,000 rupees only. 27,000 rupees only. Next one. Next question. The present value of emission is the present value of emission is ₹36,100. 36,100 rupees. Its value depreciation rate is 5% per annum. 5% per annum. Then find the machine value. Before 2 years. Find the machine value before 2 years. Find the answer. Find the machine value before 2 years. The machine value before t years is equal to p by 1 minus r by 100 whole power t. Find the answer. So substitute the values. P value is 36,100 by 1 minus r by 100. R value is 5. 5 by 100 whole power time is 2 time 2 years. 5 ones 5 20s. It is equal to 36,100 into 1 minus 1 by 20. 20 into 1 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 by 20 whole square. Right in numerator 19 by 20 will become 20 by 19. Whole square means write 2 times 20 by 19 into 20 by 19 because time is 2 years. 19 into 19, 361, 361 ones, 361 hundreds. Now 100 into 20 into 20, 20 into 20, 400, 20 into 20, 400, 400 into 100, 40,000. So the machine value before 2 years was 40,000 rupees. The machine value before 2 years was 40,000 rupees. Next one. Any doubt? Any doubt? Now write one more Vedic tip. Write one more Vedic tip. Any two-digit number multiply with another two-digit number. 34 into 62. How to multiply? Straight line, cross symbol, straight line. First to take the last straight line. So find the product of two unit digits. 4 into 2 is 8. Last straight line completed. Now cross multiplication. Find the product of these two numbers. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 6, 24. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 6, 24. 6 plus 24 is 30. 30 carry 3. Now finally straight line. Find the product of two tenth digits. 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 3. What is 18 plus 3? 21. So 34 into 62. 34 into 62 is 2108. 2108. Any doubt? Take one example. One example. Find the product of these two numbers in our Vedic method. Take one more example. 57 into 23. How to multiply? Formula: straight line, cross symbol, straight line. Now first take the last straight line. Find the product of two unit digits. 7 into 3, 21. 7 3 is 21, 2 carry. Now 5 into 3, 15. Cross multiplication. 5 into 3, 15, plus 7 into 2, 14. 15 plus 14 is 29. 29 plus 2 is 31. 31, carry 3, write 1. Finally, straight line. 5 into 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. 13, 11. 13, 11 is your answer. Then next one. This is any two-digit number multiply with another two-digit number. Any two-digit number multiply with another two-digit number. If you have any doubt here, one checking method also is there. What is the checking method? That checking method is known as the digital sum method. Find the sum of all the digits. Find the sum of all the digits in given number. That is known as digital sum. 34. 3 plus 4 is 7. 62. 6 plus 2 is 8. Find the product of these two digital sums. 7 into 8 is 56. Find the digital sum of 56. The digital sum of 56 is 5 plus 6 is 11. The digital sum always should be two-digit, single-digit number. If it is a two-digit number, once again find the sum. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. If the digital sum of our answer is 2, then it is right, otherwise it is wrong. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, our answer is right. Therefore, our answer is right. Now, here also 57 into 23. With the digital sum method, check your answer. Is it right or wrong? 57. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 is a two-digit number, so 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 23, 2 plus 3 is 5. Find the product of these two digital sums. 3 into 5, 15. Find the digital sum of 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. If the sum of all these digits is 6, then it is right. Otherwise, it is wrong. 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 1, 5. Plus 1, 6. Therefore, our answer is right. This method is known as the digital sum method. This method is known as the digital sum method. Clear? Any doubt? Is there any doubt? It is any two-digit number multiply with another two-digit number. Any two-digit number multiply with another two-digit number. Next one. Tell me any doubt. Rubina, Duveria, any doubt? Now, one general question, please tell me the answer. How many squares are there in chessboard? How many squares are there in chessboard? It is homework question today. Try to find the answer. Okay. Next question. In percentages, write the next question. Next question. In a village, in a village, in a village, male literacy rate is 80% and female literacy rate is 70%. In a village, male literacy rate is 80% and female literacy rate is 70%. 70%. If 12,000 male, if 12,000 male and 21,000 female are illiterates. If 12,000 male and 21,000 female are illiterates, then find the population of the village. Then find the population of the village. Find the population of the village. So, if male 80% male are illiterates, it means female male illiterates 20%. So, if 20% is equal to 12,000, what is 100%? Now I am taking male. What is 100%? Down value by up value into right side value. It is male population. 0, 0 cancel. 2 1s 2, 2 6 12 and 2 more zeros. 100 into 600 is 60,000. So total male population is 60,000. And female, if 70% of female are literates, it means 30% of female are illiterates. If 30% is equal to 21,000, then what is 100%? What is 100%? Down value by up value into right side value. This is 0, 0 cancel. 3 1s to 3, 3 7s. So 71, 700 into 100. It is equal to 70,000. So in the village, total male population is 60,000. Total female population is 70,000. Now total population of the village. Total population is equal to male 60,000 plus the female 70,000 is equal to 1,30,000. 1,30,000. 1,30,000. This is percentages. In next class, we will discuss one new topic. Thank you.